Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be dishing out simultaneously equation. If you like what you will see here, please subscribe, like, share. Let's go, let's start, let's begin. Welcome to my channel. Let's go. Simultaneously equation, mathematics. Here we pass question 1 with flying colors. 1.1 to 1.2. We deal with algebra only. Let's go. Yeah, as you see here, that's a simultaneously equation written possible exam question. Okay, first thing first here, what you do, you name your equations. This is equation 1, then equation 2. Since from these two equations, the one which is in the simplest form is equation 1. You just write here from equation 1. You take this whole equation here, you bring it here. Then you say y is equals to 3 minus 2x. That's our equation 3. Hope you're still following, guys. Please follow. Then you come and say sub equation 3 into equation 2. Remember, we can't use equation 1 because already we used equation 1 to make equation 3. So we need to we substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Let's go. Equation 2 is y squared plus xy is equals to 2. Where there's y, we put this. Let's go. 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2x. That's a square root. Plus x. Where is the y? We put 3 minus 2x equals to 2. If you can check here, we no longer have a y value. They're all x values. Then we will do what? We factorize from here. This into this. Then it goes to this. Then this into this. Then it goes to this. Same thing here. So we have 9 minus 6x minus 6x. Then this one is plus 4x squared. Coming here now, plus 3x. This and this is minus 2x squared. Minus 2 is equals to 0. This 2 went inside. Sharp. Now we're taking the common factors. This and this are common. So 9 minus 2 is 7. This and this and this are common. This and this is negative 12 plus 3 is negative 9x. This and this, 4 minus 2 is positive 2x squared. Is equals to 0. Hope you're still following, guys. So you can just put in a standard form. 7 is equals to 0. Then we need to factorize, guys. We need to factorize from here. From here, what we do, factorize. Factorization, we open brackets. We have 2x minus and x minus. Since we need a 7 as our final value, here we put a 1, put a 7 here. Someone will ask me how I arrived here. This times this. This time this is negative 2. And this time this is positive 7. Oh, this times 2 is negative 2. This times 2 is negative 2. This time this is negative 7. So this plus this is negative 9x, which is our middle term here, meaning we're correct. Hope you're still following, guys. Hope you're still following, guys. Please follow, guys. Then from here, so 2x is equals to 7 or x is equals to 1. So this we divide by 2, x, this x is equals to 3.5 or a 7 over 2, just like that, or is equals to 1. From here, you can just go from equation 3. What's our equation 3? Is this one here, guys. Equation 3. This is our equation 3 here. We take it as it is. We say y is equals to 3 minus 2. Where there's x, we put what? 7 over 2. 7 over 2. 7 over 2 is. Then we say is equals to 3. This cancel this. 3 minus 7. So y here is negative 4. Y here is negative 4. It's fine. So got negative 4 in this. Then on the other side, we say y is equals to 3 minus 2. Where there's x, we put that 1. So y here is equals to 3 minus 2. Am I still correct? So y is equals to 1 here. Is it 1, 5? What am I doing here? 1 here is what? It's positive. So y here is equals to 1. According to what I'm seeing. So here we need to prove. So now we're proving. We say right hand side is equals to left hand side. Let's see. From equation 1. 2x plus y is equals to 3. 3 there, 3 here. So our x is what? What is our first x? Our first x is 7 over 2 plus our y is negative 4. So it's negative 4. Yes, we just cancel this. So it's 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So both sides are equal. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Or we use the other one, so it's 2x plus y is equals to 3. We have our first x here is 1, so 1 plus the other one is also 1, is equals to 3. So this time this is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, and our 3 here, so 3 is equals to 3. Correct. You leave your exam happy. You leave your exam happy. You are sure that you have pocketed the whole 7 marks. 7 marks in your bag. Just watch it. Here is it. Comment where you don't understand. That's what we do simultaneously, guys. Keep on supporting, share, like, and subscribe. Danko.